Hi, my name is Atama. I'm the owner of MAID service, and I give ZenMaid a 4 out of 5. I've used many softwares to run my business. I've tried Octopus Pro. It was very complicated, and the process was complicated on the end user's standpoint. I've used Housecall Pro as well. They are very amazing for a starting MAID service. However, it did not fit the MAID service needs that we have in our company. So we moved from Housecall Pro over to ZenMaid. It was a better fit. I chose ZenMaid because it was the perfect fit for a MAID service. We are a MAID service, and their online booking form is absolutely amazing. It's specifically tailored for our service industry. They have online booking, they have instant invoicing, and it's a great platform to communicate with our employees with very detailed job descriptions. The best part about ZenMaid was the onboarding process. I did not have to lift a finger being a very busy business owner running my MAID service. All I needed to do was log into ZenMaid, send them my previous platform, Housecall Pro's login information, and they automatically ported over all of my contacts, all of my clients. Every single detail was already done for me in 24 hours, and I was ready to just start running my business immediately. If you're looking for a software for your MAID service, I would recommend ZenMaid. It makes the platform easy for you to use. Your employees will love it. It's a simple transition. Clients will love it as well, and I highly recommend it.